Good morning, good morning. Look at my dirty mirror. Anyways, so I'm taking you guys with me today because it's the Lil Wayne concert. Lil Wayne featuring the Hot Boys. So me and Jasmine are going for her birthday. Let's go to church. I'm all dressed. I have on a sweater dress. I'm not wearing this coat inside of church because it was very, very hot in there the last time I went to this particular church. So yeah, let's go. On Thursday, February 27th from 6. Just seeing the Hot Boys, Juvenile, Lil Wayne, Birdman perform, Manny Fresh perform Back That Ass Up in person, it just hits different. Like, all them years I done heard the song, but seeing it in person, it'll never be topped.